What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Same day, two videos, but I'll be uploading this one tomorrow, which is Saturday, so you won't be watching this till Saturday. I'm gonna be working on this one. I'm gonna do a oil change on the Lexus, and then also I'm gonna be flushing the transmission and changing the fluid. And got my little OEM filter. Let's get started. So we're going to be draining the oil. Put a drain pan there, and then we're going to be loosening this 14mm bolt right there. There it is. Really Shanghai. Oh damn, it's still. So we're gonna reinstall the drain bolt, and then in the oil filter box comes a new gasket that goes on the bolt. We're gonna reinstall it back again after we finish draining, which is almost done. The oil filter is right here. A lot of people like getting at it from the top, but I'm gonna get at it from the bottom because easier for me. I got these pliers. I can get at it. See, there it is. We installed the new oil filter. I'm gonna move it up right here a little bit against the old one, so that when we tighten it, the seal won't come off. Now let's install the new one. Now that we reinstall everything, we're gonna add the oil. It takes 5.5 quarts, so this one and half a quart more. So for the transmission pan, we're gonna remove this bolt as well, which is also 14mm. Let it drain. It's dirty. Really dirty. We drained the transmission fluid, and then I put it on this, and then it reads 1, 2, 3, 3.5 quarts. That's what I'm gonna add back of transmission fluid to get it back to where it was. And we have to start the car. We're gonna let it run for a little bit, and we're gonna get under the car to make sure there's no leaks. Start off by the transmission pan. And it seems like it's not leaking. You can see that. Now we're gonna check the oil drain pan, make sure it's not leaking. And get under the car real quick. And that's just leftover oil. No, there are no leaks. And over to the oil filter, no leaks as well. All the oil from all the drain. Alright guys, we're going on a test drive to make sure all the shifts are smooth. And it seems like everything is smooth, like it should be. And my cousin just came back from the muffler shop, installed a new muffler. Let's see how this fucking lawnmower sounds. Yeah. Let it rip. Sounds like a fucking 2019 lawnmower. Yeah. You happy, boo?
Chilling.
Hey, Carlitos con sus Jordans.
What?
I want to go take that though. Got the G35. Yeah, it's pretty clean. This right here, guys, this is my old Mustang, and I handed it over to my older brother. Yeah, but this was my baby right here. Shit was clean. I had to let it go though.
Parking here? You're parking here?
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. My cousin's happy because he got a little fart can. The other boy, 5.0, G35. See you guys on tomorrow's video.